we're from York Gin and today we're going to be showing you how to make our version of a salty dog cocktail using York Gin Old Tom.
So Old Tom is a slightly sweetened sour gin from the Victorian times. So we mix ours with a sugar syrup that's made by a local Michelin star chef. He mixes it with all different types of flavours, including sour anise, pink peppercorn and white rose.
You will need Old Tom gin, grapefruit juice, lemon juice, handful of blueberries, soda, salt and ice.
First of all, so you want to grab a big wedge of the grapefruit and put that all the way around the rim of the glass.
Then going to turn it over, pop it in your rock salt, smush it all around like Hannah does and just get it all salty at the top for your salty part of the dog.
There we go, grab a big handful of blueberries, lots of blueberries in there, a little York Gin twist and squish them up using a fork or we're using a bar spoon.
This brings out loads of lovely blueberry juices into your drink. Next we're adding a load of ice cubes all the way up to the top to make it a nice long drink for you.
Then grab your delicious Old Tom gin and put a big double measure in there. Don't worry if it overflows.
We're then just using the other side of our measure to put 15 millilitres of the lemon juice to give that sour side to the salty dog.
Followed by the grapefruit juice, that's just 2 double measures of that, so 100 millilitres. Feel free to use carton juice at home, I know I would.
We're then going to take our bar spoon again, you can just use a regular spoon, and mix it all up together so this just mixes the blueberry flavours in with all the rest.
Finally, we're just going to top it off with some Fevertree Soda to bring it all together. Don't overflow it like I did.
Then we add a wedge of grapefruit to garnish, and there we are, perfect salty dog.
Enjoy!